In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a welcome message for chat on YouTube. A custom welcome message is a simple way to set the tone for your community. It can greet new viewers, remind people of your rules, and encourage positive interaction before anyone even types their first message. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the channel you want to edit. Once you're on the main YouTube homepage, you'll see your channel profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that profile icon. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From here, look for the option labeled YouTube Studio. Go ahead and click that. YouTube Studio is where you manage everything about your channel: videos, analytics, comments, and of course, your community settings. Once YouTube Studio loads, focus your attention on the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down until you see Settings near the bottom of that list. Click on Settings to open a small settings window. Inside this window, you'll see several categories on the left. Find and click on the one called Community Moderation. This section controls how your community interacts with your channel, including things like blocked words, moderators, and chat guidelines. Within Community Moderation, look for the tab labeled Channel Guidelines. Click on that tab. This is where you can define the message that appears to viewers in your live chat, helping them understand what kind of behavior you expect. You'll see a field for the welcome message. Click inside that field to start typing. Here you can write a short, clear greeting. For example, you might say something like, "Welcome to the stream, be kind, stay on topic, and avoid spam." Keep it friendly, concise, and easy to understand. This message should reflect your channel's tone while setting clear expectations. Once you're happy with the text you've added, look for the Save button in the bottom right corner of the settings window. Click Save to apply your changes. This is important. If you close the window without saving, your new welcome message will not be stored. And that's it. Your custom welcome message is now set, and viewers will see it when they join your chat, helping you maintain a positive and consistent community experience.